Hey guys, third time trying to do this. Alrighty, so just harvested all the farms, did all this off camera because all my attacks were successful. Woohoo! Good for us. And then I went and did this in the first take that I tried doing this right here. This was gonna be video, but it cut it off for some reason. So yeah. It's fun. So to make up for that, we're going to try to expand the territory and get another super monkey by doing this Moab tile. That is of the hard difficulty. Let's do it. Boom. I think we will start off with a boat. Actually, nah. There's a lot of space in here. Bada boom. And we start off with our sniper. On strong. Here we go. Killing it so far. Got our light pop and power. Doing just fine. Ninja's being awesome. Killing all the balloons in sight. "23 rounds, so it's gonna be quite a long tile. So I think in order to fit in the two tiles to fit the super monkey that I want to build in for this video, I think I will skip till we get the 4th tier ninja, and then I'll play a few rounds from there, and then yeah, I'll go from there. Then I'll probably get a flash bomb afterwards, and then boat, and maybe an Arctic wind boomerang ricochet setup. So yeah, see you when we get the 4th tier ninja. Alrighty guys, we can get 4th tier ninja. There we go. And during the cut, I went and upgraded the sniper to camo detection because there were some camo balloons. So yeah, there's that. Now we gotta get our flash bomb ninja right here. Because the sleds are very hard to pop when you have one thing of pop power and it is very limited. But as of now, we're doing pretty well in these rounds, if I do say so myself. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and cut until we get the flash bomb ninja. Alrighty guys, we're back and we are getting the flash bomb ninja. No camo lids could sneak through here. Still gotta worry about that moment. Regen. Alright, we're good. We popped all the regeneration on the balloons. Nothing to get rid of them on. We'll just, plop a little balloon chipper right here. Put them all strong, and get them on the left side. So you can pop a full Moab layer. will see you then. Alrighty guys, we got money to get the super wide funnel. Alrighty, now the Moabs are no problem. So now I'm pretty sure we just auto win. I just gotta get like a glue gunner in here. Regeneration balloon. No, we're good. Alrighty. Now we got that glue gunner going right here to glue up all those balloons. If they're glued by the glue gunner, they basically lose the regeneration effect. They still have it, but it basically nullifies it because it doesn't allow it to regenerate. Because it deteriorates over time. Alright, now we basically auto it. If we're having any problems, I will come back to you on that. Otherwise, I will see you at the Moab, or when we beat it, or lose. Whichever one comes first. Hopefully we come to the Moab first. Alrighty guys, we got our first Moab, and we took them down like a champ. So now we got nothing to lose, so... Actually, there's only 3 rounds. I'll keep you around for the last 3 rounds. For this one at least. There we go. Beat that one, no problem. I think we'll get another range. Laser blast. Final range. Murder those Moabs. The build to this planet, no problem at all. They will just immediately die. A little bit of a struggle. Notice how I said a little bit of a struggle. But not much. Boom, 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 boom. No life lost. That one's a camo. Well, that was the one I was planning on doing, so I guess we're doing it. Regen camo tile. Let's go. Alrighty. Start it up with our spike factory. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm being careful with the whole mouse thing, it's just because if I click anywhere near with the mouse, it'll immediately stop the video. So, that's not good. Alright, we got our generic start. Yeah, here we go. I think we might be doing some weird strats with this one just because of the fact that it's a billion camo balloons and they're regenerating. So we might want to kill them all at once. So I think I might honestly be getting a high tier spike factory in this one. Along with the balloon chippers. Right here. Again. They're such a good tower. They just murder the Moabs like no problem. So I don't see why we wouldn't use them. Alrighty, first we're going to be getting our 4-2 ninja, so I will see you when that happens. Alrighty guys, I think we'll get the 4-2 ninja in this round. I just wanted to say during the round, if you want to see me play anything else on the channel, just leave it down below in the comments. If you feel free to subscribe to the channel, and if you want, hit the like button. Helps out the channel a lot. Alright, here we go, Bloons Monkey City. Alright. Alright, we're probably going to be getting the Flash Bomb Ninja for these camo LEDs though. Just because this guy is so good. I just now realized there's 25 rounds. So just to speed this up a bit, I will probably speed up to the point where we get to the Flash Bomb Ninja. See you then. Alrighty guys, round 12. We're probably going to be getting the Flash Bomb Ninja this round. I just feel it in my bones. And there we go. We now have our Flash Bomb Ninja for all the camo LEDs we could ever want to pop. English was so on point right there. Alrighty. Now, for the Moabs, I think we will get the balloon chipper, like I said. Right here. And that sucker on strong, so he gets all the ceramics along with that, along with the Moab. If you don't have him on strong, you may or may not pick up the Moab or the ceramics. He may pick up a red balloon. And you don't want that. You don't want a balloon chipper to grab a red balloon, because that's a waste of the balloon chipper's time. Honestly, I think I'll keep you guys with us for the rest of the tile, just because I feel like it, because why not? I've got to find more stuff to talk about. So, let's see here. Did you know that the .50 shoots through 7 layers of a balloon? Oh my god! Fact of the day. Boom. Alright, we almost got enough money for the big wide funnel, which we should be getting maybe this round? Maybe? Oh, we're so close. We're so close. We got it. Just barely. We had like $40 to spare, but we got it. Alrighty. Once we get this thing up to a 4-2 balloon chipper, we're probably going to upgrade the Spike Factory to a 2-2 Spike Factory just because of the fact that in case of any straggling balloons, it'll catch them all, and then we won't lose randomly, because that would suck. So, heck yeah. As I said, because we might randomly lose to something I don't expect, so just making sure I cover my ass. Other than that, we're just murdering all the balloons that come out of here, no problem. It's only round 17 out of 25, so we still got a long ways to go. This is easy. The last one was hard. The last one seemed easier than the next. I don't know. This is medium. But whatever. So logic of this game goes. Spike Factory pulled through. I told you. Spike Factory. I love you, man. It did all the work. We definitely need more balloon popping power, though. So I think we'll get a second Spike Factory. But this one will be right here. just because of the fact that we can get this and then this, but then we can also get Moab Shredder spikes for this one. Because if we do that, then all the Moabs that come out of here that don't get sucked up by this guy, this amazing looking balloon chipper right here, they'll get shredded by these spikes. And hopefully you do that. We're just barely killing the balloons at this point. Oh no. Spike Factory! Spike Factory! He's got it! Alright, we're good. Spikes actually pulled through. Woohoo, we did it. Alright, we definitely need more ninjas. Alrighty. Actually, I think we might just want a balloon ricochet. I think we'll put it right here. And we just need a bunch more. Ready to go right now. Yeah, that's exactly what we needed. See how easy that was? Turn the last up. We'll get a second. And now the balloons are doing nothing. We got this. Don't put our okay. Camera section. Alrighty, we're good. And we did it, boys! We have got the Super Monkey. Or at least the space for another Super Monkey. We always had the monkey, but we just needed the space to build it. But now we can. Now we gotta scroll on down to the Super Monkey and go click. Oh, sorry. Drag. And bloop. Alrighty, guys. If you enjoyed this episode, well, hit the like button. I already said that, but whatever. Here it is again. And have a great day. See you guys.